Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back, folks. Today, I'm thrilled to unveil the ultimate guide to optimizing your Toyota Tacoma's performance with the world's top 5 spark plugs. From enhanced ignition to improved fuel efficiency, we've got it all covered. So, let's dive in and rev up your ride. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Fill-top spark plug, the pinnacle of performance for your engine. Crafted with precision, the IFR5T11 double iridium spark plugs offer unparalleled durability and ignitability, ensuring smooth starts and optimal engine performance. Engineered with advanced technology, these plugs deliver consistent sparks, enhancing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Designed for longevity, they withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, guaranteeing reliable performance mile after mile. Upgrade your engine with fill-top spark plug and experience the power of innovation firsthand. Number 2. Siccity Auto's 6PC NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs. Engineered for peak performance, these plugs boast NGK's renowned Iridium 9 technology, ensuring superior ignition and longevity. Perfectly compatible with a range of vehicles, they deliver optimized fuel efficiency and power output. With a precise fit and easy installation, these spark plugs offer hassle-free maintenance, keeping your engine running smoothly mile after mile. Upgrade your ride with Siccity Auto's NGK Iridium 9 spark plugs for unparalleled reliability and performance. Number 3. A Premium Iridium Platinum spark plugs. These high-performance spark plugs are engineered to deliver optimal ignition, ensuring smooth engine operation and improved fuel efficiency. Featuring iridium platinum construction, they offer exceptional durability and longevity, making them a cost-effective choice for vehicle maintenance. With precise electrode design, these spark plugs provide consistent sparks for enhanced engine performance and throttle response. Upgrade your ride with A Premium Iridium Platinum spark plugs and experience the difference on the road. Number 4. NGK Laser Iridium Spark Plug, the ultimate upgrade for your engine's performance. Engineered with precision and durability in mind, these spark plugs boast advanced iridium technology for optimal spark and ignition efficiency. Say goodbye to misfires and hello to smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy. Designed to withstand the rigors of daily driving or high-performance applications, the NGK Laser Iridium Spark Plug ensures reliable performance mile after mile. Upgrade your engine's ignition system today and experience the difference firsthand. Number 5. Jectum Automotive Replacement Spark Plugs. Engineered for optimal performance, these spark plugs are the perfect upgrade for your vehicle. With their durable construction and advanced technology, they ensure reliable ignition, improved fuel efficiency, and smoother engine operation. Designed to fit seamlessly into your engine, Jectum spark plugs deliver consistent power and ignite your driving experience. Say goodbye to misfires and hello to enhanced performance with Jectum Automotive Replacement spark plugs. In conclusion, selecting the right spark plugs for your Toyota Tacoma can significantly impact its performance and fuel efficiency. Through this guide, we've highlighted some top options to consider. Remember, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Tacoma running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updates and informative videos.